William stone was interesting because it was covered at the top and at the bottom, but not in the middle, which left this odd white stripe in the center. William's life began in a very interesting way. He was born over the Atlantic Ocean as his family was immigrating from Germany in 1743. The family settled in New Jersey, and when William was 33 years old, the American Revolution broke out. He wasted no time in joining the Continental Army. He fought in some major battles, including Brandywine, Germantown, Trenton, and Springfield. Following the war, William immigrated to Fairfield County, where he lived until his death in 1836.